Look at that, man.
It's here.
It's finally here.
All the paperwork is signed.
Beginning of an era for you, huh?
Dude, it is. This is exciting.
Oh my goodness. There it is, man. Photo with it? Want me to film it for a second?
Sure.
You got it?
Look what I finally got! Black Friday sale! Ah!
Oh my god.
Dude, I can't believe it. Like, seriously, this is amazing. I own a super sports car that is like faster than like 99.9% of cars in the world. And it's all electric. That's even better, all right? So check this out. It's got the wood interior with tan leather, ambient lighting. It's got the smart air suspension. This thing has every single upgrade that you can possibly get. It's got the autopilot, Ludacris mode. You know, it's got the 4G LTE built into the system. It's got the ultra high fidelity speakers, so they sound insanely good. Play Sand Hollow Light. You guys want to hear the sound system? Hey, there's a spider web. Okay. No one's detailing is perfect, I guess.
Do you have a name for the vehicle, like an official name for it?
I don't know. What do you think? Should I name it Gizmo?
Gizmo? Godsmo, maybe?
I was thinking Godsmo could be cool too. I was debating between those two. I don't know. I think I need to come up with a better name for it. I'm gonna take time and name this thing properly. All right. I can't just name it willy-nilly. We're not naming it willy-nilly.
So Brandon's getting this Tesla and everything. I'm just excited because I'm buying his old car, and it's probably the nicest car that I've ever owned. It is the nicest car I've ever owned. I get this little buddy, the Ford Fusion Energy, 2013. I feel pretty baller right now. I get a hybrid car, good gas mileage. Love the size of this screen.
It's an enormous screen, man. It's time to drive home. I've never owned a sports car this powerful before. I've had like a slower entry-level sports car before, but I did have a crotch rocket when I was in college too, but this thing is actually faster than my 800cc crotch rocket. It's a whole nother level of power that I've never felt before. Okay, I'm gonna try autopilot out. Oh my God. Autopilot engaged on the highway for the first time. I'm ready to take over at any moment. But I'm gonna try to drive as much of this as I can with autopilot on. Looks like it's gonna slow down up here. It's slowing down the car. It's like nerve-wracking. Like, is it really gonna slow down the car enough? Oh, okay. It was beeping at me. I was like worried, but it's saying that it wants me to like hold the steering wheel. It's just a reminder to hold the steering wheel. Yeah, so this is autopilot 1, the original autopilot. So with autopilot 1, it can maintain the lane. It doesn't switch lanes automatically on its own. You have to preemptively check to make sure you can switch the lane, and then it double checks your checking, and then it'll switch the lane for you automatically. You know, I'm in rush hour traffic, and I can relax a little bit more. I don't have to be like hyper tense driving through this rush hour traffic. I'm going to love the crap out of this autopilot. It's doing a really good job so far, maintaining speed, maintaining distance. Like my feet, you know, your feet get tired of doing the whole brake, acceleration, brake, acceleration, brake, acceleration, back and forth game. I don't have to do that anymore. Oh my gosh, that's where the charger port is. I didn't even know that's where it was. Okay, so supercharger here goes in like that. So yeah, this allows you to see the music that's being played or your current navigation directions, like the detailed look of where you need to turn. You got your odometer and stuff like that. I think these are customizable. I haven't figured out how to customize them yet. And it correlates from your navigation here over to here for your detailed directions, which is freaking awesome. And this uses Google Maps too, so it's like the best possible directions and traffic information out there.
Oh, nice, that one works. Oh no, why are you doing camera? No, don't do that.
Anyway.
RV over there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna hide behind your hand.
What? No!
Hide behind the wheel. Holy fuck! I wasn't prepared for that!
Yes, I got it across. You ready?
Okay. Okay, no. Oh man.
There you go.
You'll be on the camera.
All right. Good.
A bit wet, but you ready?
Ready. Wow.
Just a little bit.
This is electric, huh?
All electric.
Sheesh.
762 horsepower.
Wow.
You try it again?
Try it again. Wow. Like a spaceship.
It does sound like a spaceship,
Like a
doesn't
spaceship.
it? So I'm just picking up my parents from the airport. They have not seen the Tesla Model S yet. This is gonna be a bit of a surprise. I told them that I'm in a blue car. There's my dad. He's starting to recognize me. He's hesitating. He's like, oh snap. Is that him? Oh, that's him. Okay, let's get out and say hello. Looks nice. 762 horsepower. What? Really? Yep. Oh my goodness. How the handles go in and out. It's just so cool. Look at this. What? That's insane. Something I didn't know about Teslas is that when you look at the emblem, you can actually tell whether the car has Ludacris mode on it or not. We've got P for performance, 90 for the battery size, D for dual engine, so front and back, so all-wheel drive. And then the line underneath means Ludacris mode. Until basically the day I bought the car, I had no clue what that line meant. So just everything about it, I'm in love with it. Fastest car I've ever been in. The nicest car to drive that I've ever driven. The best features, the best dashboard. This is amazing. I just love the crap out of this. And I don't know what to name it. I mean, I'm not in love with Gizmo or Godsmo because that's like my name. Naming this thing is gonna be difficult. I just don't know. Okay, I think I've decided it. As you guys know, I mean, I love naming my dogs after the Greek gods, so we're gonna go for the goddess Athena. That's it. I have found the freaking name. Okay, Athena, will be my new baby. Let's go ahead and put the name in the car and make it official. Okay, let's put it in. And save. I don't know, my goal is probably to keep this car a really, really long time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm just super excited. Happy Black Friday to everyone out there. Hope you guys get some good deals. We'll see you guys in the next one. Brandon, out.